In this lesson we want to discuss about operators, right? So in these operators we have 5 types of operators are there, but in these 5 types of operators we want to concentrate on set operators. The set operators are important to us. We are using these set operators in regularly in our real life, and also the remaining operators also definitely we want to use. Each and every operator definitely we want to use in our real life scenarios. Then here observe this one. Okay. Then first one is arithmetic operators. The first one is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic means mathematical operators. So before going to work with the arithmetic operator, first of all we want to understand a dual. We want to understand dual. D-U-A-L. It is a dummy table which is provided by the Oracle people. Let us say I want to explain to you. First of all we want to open the SQL prompt and connect it with the database. Now the file is created. Let us say now first I want to set the environment, and next can go to set the lines. Now check it just for our understand purpose whether the machine is giving the proper output or not. Okay. Now we want to implement the operators. So before going to start the operators, first we want to understand dual. Okay. What is this dual? Means here observe this one. Before going to execute the select statement on dual, first of all we want to see the structure of dual. Okay. Structure of dual. What is the dual structure? It is having only one column. It is having only one column, which is, what is the data type? Varchar2. It is Varchar2. If you disturb this dummy, means if you disturb this dual table, the entire application is going to stuck. Because of lot of times the R&D department people was using this dual table. That is the reason. Okay. You don't want to disturb this dual table. Just you want to execute this dual table as per our requirement only. Okay. Then let us say I will show you different examples. Here observe this one. The respected dual is a dummy table. It is a dummy table which is provided by the Oracle Corporation people, and it is having only one column, that is a data type is Varchar2. It is supported number or as well as character. Okay. Then here how many records are there? It is having only one record. It is having only one record. Why the people want to maintain this one record also I will show you. Okay. So here observe this one. Now I want to execute, suppose say example, select one from EMP. Whether this query is executed or not. Select one from EMP. One from EMP. Let us say check it. Absolutely it is executed. Right? Absolutely it is executed. That is the reason we are getting the output, right? But what is the result? The result is we are expecting one from the database in the form of EMP table. But here how many times we executed? The answer is only once is enough, or will be getting the number of times is enough for us. Suppose you can ask to your friend what is your name. He said my name is Ram. Or Ram. Is it right answer? No, just his name is Ram, right? In the same manner here, observe this one. Select suppose 0 from EMP. Here 14 times. Suppose now observe this one. Select 1 from dual. Right? How many times it is showing? Only 1 time. So if you want to expect a single value from a query, at the time we can use the dual table. You can expect a single value from a query. At the time we can apply the dual table. Say example here, I will show you example. What is the first operators? Arithmetic operators. These are the mathematical operators. If you want to do any mathematical operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction or division. So for that purpose we are using the arithmetical operator. These arithmetic operators is having the specific symbols. Already these symbols we know that. Okay, which are the symbols we use. Here observe this one. Select 1 plus 1. Addition. I want to add 2 columns. 1 plus 1 from EMP. What happened? 14 times it is showing the result. 14 times it is showing the result, but our final output is only 1 time. 1 time is enough for us, right? So in this point of time, now I want to use 1 plus 1 from real. All of you clear? So what is the use of that dual table? It's a very important. Whenever the business requirement is expect the single value from a query, then we can go to use the dual table. So many times we are using this dual table in our real life. Okay, but it depends upon requirement. Don't use this dual table for each and every requirement. Depends upon our requirement, which is the requirement is suitable for that dual, then we can apply the dual table. Clear all of you? That. So then, interview point of view, they are asking this question. Select 1 plus 1 from EMP, what happened? Or select 0 from EMP, what happened? So it will be written 0, but 14 times. If you go for select 0 from dual, it is showing 1 time only. But we want to expect the only 1 time result only. We don't want to expect. Suppose in our table we have 1 lakh records. What happened? How much time it is taking while execute the 1 lakh records? It is taking long time, right? That is the reason we want to apply the dual table. Okay. Then. Next, I am going to show us all arithmetic operators in one single query. Okay, I don't want to explain each and every one. Then select 2 plus 2, sorry, 2 plus 2. I am applying the addition. Okay, addition adds. Okay, addition. Then alias name is addition. Okay, then 4 minus 2 is subtraction. Okay, and 3 into 2 multiplication, and 10 by 2 division. So some words or keywords is there, don't apply that keywords as alias names. System does not accept it. Addition, it is not accepted. Okay, you can give the different name. Okay, here if you give the this one, it is not accepted because of it is a keyword. Okay, that is the reason. And the next from dual. From dual. Now save the records and check it. Got it? So in this scenario we are using the arithmetic operator. So very simple. Just we can apply the calculation, or if you want to do the any calculation, mathematical calculations, then we can use the arithmetic operator. Suppose, say example, now I want to apply these mathematical operations in our employee table. I want to add salary plus commission. I want to add salary plus commission, and it will be generated into the another column. Possible or not? Definitely. Here observe this one. Select sal, comma, commission, comma, salary plus commission. So for our understand purpose, I am giving this salary and commission also, and next I am going to specify the salary plus commission. I am giving the alias name is SC, salary commission. Okay, then from EMP. From EMP. Why I am using the EMP? Because of that respected columns are available in EMP table only. That is the reason. Okay. Is it right? Sure. Observe. The result is correct. The result is showing some missing information. Okay. The result does not show the all information. So observe this one. If the salary is having 5,000 and but commission is doesn't have, what happen? If the person doesn't have the commission, you don't give the salary to employee. Definitely you want to give the salary to employee, right? Okay, one of the employees working in our organization, the person doesn't do the any sales, maybe. Okay, the person don't get the commission. You don't give the salary to employee. Employee is accepted that. Employee does not accept it, right? So how we can go to achieve this requirement? Here, observe this one. This empty space is nothing but a null. This empty space is nothing but a null. So here, what is the null means? Null is a means unmeasured value. Null is a unmeasured value. We are not possible to measure the null value. So here, in this commission, how many nulls are there? There are 14 values are there. In that 14 we have only 4. Okay, 10 nulls is there. This all 10s does not equal the same number. 10 nulls is having the 10 different numbers. Let it be 1 second. I will explain to you. 4 values is there, but remaining 10s are nulls. How we are going to handle this nulls in this requirement? So for that null purpose, the Oracle people is provide one function that is called as a NVL. That is called as a NVL function. Null to value. Null to value. So here, observe this one. And also please keep in our mind, every null does not equal. Every null does not equal. And every null is a different unique number is considered by the Oracle engine. Okay, whenever we can specify the null, system is assigning one value, but we cannot find out which value system is assigned because of it is an unmeasured value. Unmeasured value. But how we can go to handle the null values in our requirement? So for that purpose, Oracle people is provide one function that is called as a NVL. Okay, null to value. So how we can apply that NVL function in this respected query? Okay, let us see. Then go to here. Observe this one. This is our condition. Salary plus commission is our condition, our logic, right? In these 2 columns, which is the column is having the null? Commission. So now we can apply the NVL function to commission only. Then how we can apply that? NVL of commission. If the commission is null, then I want to choose as a 0. If the commission is null, system is going to consider as a 0 in this query. Right? Now observe this one. What is the result is getting? Clear? So what happened here? We clearly tell to the machine, whenever the commission is getting null, you treat as a 0. Okay? Observe carefully here. Then if commission is not null, then I want to give 2000. If commission is null, I am giving 1000. Oh, sorry. Invalid number of arguments. Yes. Observe this one. If the 5000, it is a null, how much it is added? 1000. If this 1600, then it will be added how much? 2000 rupees. To added and 3000. But it is not considered this one. It is not considered this one.
Including that one.
So I click. Then that is the reason I click NVL 2. Then next we can go for logical operators. So again we have three types of operators: and, or, not. And, or, not. Then these three logical operators we want to use in our SQL prompt. Say example, observe this one. First I want to work with this and. First I want to work with this and. Observe. It's a very interesting topic. Yeah. Select star from EMP where DEPT number equal to 10. Okay. How many records we are getting? 14. 3 records, right? Then next observe this one. Select star from EMP where DEPT number equal to 10. It's a very important condition. Regularly we are using this logic in our real life, real time. And DEPT number equal to 20.
Both departments.
Sure? Compulsory? Confident? Then what happened? What happened? So what happened here? Why the system does not show us the result? If you execute the DEPT number 10, absolutely we are getting the data. Is there no data is 20th department? In 20th department also data is there, but why system does not retrieve the 20th department? Then. So that is the use of and. Then next we want to go for or. Or means how it is going to work. Or means 1 or 2. Okay. Either this one or that one. Then same query I am executed while using or. So how many records we are getting? 3 or more than 3. System is going to return all which are working in 10 or 20. 10 or 20. Then both will be returned. Both will be returned. That is the reason. System is here. System is considered or means it will be written both. So here or means then it will be going to consider into the first one. First the second one, first one is executed. The second is executed on the first one. Third one also executed on the first one. That is the reason. Okay. Next, not. Suppose here, observe this one. Where I have 3 departments. In that 3 departments, I don't want to retrieve 10 and 20. 10 and 20 are, yeah, not 10 department. I want to restrict 10th department only. I want to see 20 and 30. Suppose, say example here and 10 and 20. Let it be, check it. Not 10 and 20. What happened here? Observe this one. It is giving a different result, right? I am not accepted the 10th. Okay, it is fine. But here what happened? Then here observe this one. How many times the transaction is occurred? 3 times. First select star from EMP. Then where DEPT number equal to 10. That is the second one. It will be applicable on first transaction. Again third transaction. The third transaction is Again depend on the first one. That is the reason it is written the 20th department. Here observe that it is override. Okay, override and retrieve the 20th department. Now the same condition, not whether what happened, whether it is working or not.
Yes.
Clear? So that is the reason the system is going to consider the 20th department for earlier query. Okay? This is the way we work with that. These two operators. The next session we want to go for relational and special and set operators. Stop now. You can stop now, then we can continue. The next lesson is relational operator. Okay? Then fine. 1 second.